For those that must, Bitcoin. We spiked up one more time yesterday. I thought the 4 was in here. We spiked up, but we stayed below the 764. We stayed below the 1 of the same degree. I think we've got 5 down here as a 1, 2. I'm just looking for the 3, 4, 5 of this 5 of the A wave, and then the BC. So all of that is the, excuse me, is the A of the 5 of the C of 4. B will come back up to here, and then the daily chart, we're still heading down in this 4 here. So we've got a 5 down to here as a 1, 2, B here, 1, 2, 3 into the 1.0 in a diagonal, A, B, C for the 4 into the 764. This is impulsive, coming down in 5 waves for an A wave, B back, C down. Okay, that's what I've got this morning. I hope that helps on the metals, and I will do the same, exactly the same level of detail on the miners and silver later on today in the room. Okay, I'll be back just before the open.